Assalamualaikum and a very good day to everybody. My presentation today entitled Chemical Profile of Hylocereus polyrhizus Freshwater-Based Extract, Assessment of Nutritional Value, Chemical Constituents and Potential Metal Toxicity. First of all, I would like to introduce a little bit about phytochemicals. Phytochemicals are produced naturally in plants and contained in the different parts of plant organs such as leaves, stem, roots, flowers, fruits, and also seed. There are a lot of function of phytochemicals in plants, such as it involved in the growth and metabolism. It can protect against herbivores. It can defend to the attack of microorganisms, and also it can protect from excess sunlight. The, the examples of families of phytochemicals are nitrogen and sulfur compounds, and also alkaloids such as phenolic compounds and terpenoids. Intake of fruits, vegetables, and grains have a protective effect against the development of chronic diseases caused by overproduction of oxidants. Antioxidant phytochemicals in vegetables, fruit, and grains are considered to be responsible for these health benefits. The example of antioxidant phytochemicals are polyphenols and also carotenoids. Activities and capacities of antioxidant phytochemicals to combat free radicals is involved in the phytogenesis of many chronic diseases is are related to they are related to substitution of hydroxyl groups in the aromatic rings in their structure. Okay, these are the picture of Hylocereus polyrhizus. The common name is dragon fruit or pitaya. Dragon fruit in the family of cactus. Okay, we can eat straight away this fruit, and then we can find this fruit a lot in Indochina, Vietnam, Laos, Cambodia, and then the this can be found in this country, and then they are the first region in South Asia to cultivate dragon fruit. The red violet color contained in dragon fruit, we call it methicillin. Pitaya fruit, we can call it as well superfruit because it contains a lot of nutrition and advantages, such as it's rich in antioxidants, antimicrobial, anti-diabetic, anti-cancer, antiviral, anti-inflammatory, and many more. Okay, they have strong hydrogen donating capacity and can effectively scavenge free radicals such as hydroxyl, superoxide, anion, and also it exhibit metal chelating activity, which is comparable with other potent antioxidants such as ascorbic acid and also butyl hydroxyl toluene, which is artificial antioxidant. Isolation of phytochemical. We can isolate phytochemical via extraction. Extraction is the first step to separate the desired natural products from the raw materials. There are a lot of methods for extraction, such as solvent extraction, distillation method, pressing, sublimation, and many more. Solvent extraction is the most widely used method. Okay, there are several stages of extraction of phytochemicals. Okay, the first one is the solvent penetrates into the solid matrix, and then the solute dissolved in the solvents. The solute is diffused out of the solid matrix. The extracted solutes are collected. Okay, chemicals contamination in plant. Consuming a healthy diet consisted of vegetables and fruits throughout the life course helps to prevent malnutrition in all its form and also non-communicable disease and condition. However, potentially hazardous chemicals in fruits and vegetables have been reported to human due to human activities such as mining and metal-based industrial operations. Exposure to toxic chemical for a long time caused serious health problems because they tended to bioaccumulate. Assessment of toxic chemical contamination in vegetables and fruits for consumer safety and enforced regulatory measures are important. These are the method for toxicity evaluation. The first one is heavy metal content and second one is cytotoxicity. For heavy metal test, we test using inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometry, which is ICPMS, and then for cytotoxicity, we test using brine shrimp lethality bioassay. The objectives of this research are to evaluate the nutritional value using proximate analysis, to determine the chemical constituent using gas chromatography, mass spectrometry. The third one is to investigate the concentration of multi-elements, okay, which is macroelements, microelements, and also non-essential toxic metals using ICPMS. And then lastly, to assess the cytotoxicity using brine shrimp lethality bioassay, the material and method. Okay, for the extraction, we extract using a juice extraction using a juice extractor. Okay, the clarification we centrifuge at 10,000 rpm at 4 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. And then we test for proximate analysis. We test the ash content, crude fat content, crude fiber content, crude protein content, moisture content, and also pH value. And then we test for the gas chromatography mass spectrometry. And then for the toxicity evaluation, we test mineral and heavy metal content, and also we test brine shrimp lethality bioassay, as I mentioned just now. Okay, these are the result and discussion. The nutritional value, which is the proximate analysis. The small amount of fat that occurred could have been lost due to oxidation during extraction process. That's why you can detect the crude fat in this test. And also the pH value of fruit is slightly acidic, which is 4.7. And then for the crude protein is 1.39 and the crude fiber is 1.82. Okay, and then the ash content is 0.67 and the moisture content is 87.52. The variations in the findings could be due to differences in sample preparation, environmental growth variation, and also fruit maturity. The pH value of fruit is slightly acidic, as I mentioned just now. And then this one is the macro essential minerals. For calcium, we get 0.278, sodium 0.197, potassium 4.884, magnesium 59.629. Calcium, magnesium, and sodium significantly lower than study by Khalili and Nurul and Asma. And then for the potassium is comparable with data obtained by Khalili but 2.65 times lower than study by Nurul and Asma. Variation in results is due to sample preparation, fruit maturity, and others. Okay, these are the results for micro-essential mineral. Micro-essential minerals play a key role in a variety of the processes necessary for the proper growth, development, and physiology of human being. It's required in very small quantities. In balanced level of this element can be toxic and may adversely affect biological processes in human body and lead to fatal diseases. It is very important to recognize the consequences of excess or deficiency of this element. There are a lot of benefit of this micronutrient such as cobalt, the importance of cobalt is a very good in the metabolism of amino acid, synthesis of DNA, formation of neurotransmitter, production of thyroxine by the thyroid glands. For iron, it can contribute for a red color of human blood, an essential components of enzyme. These are the result for GCMS. Okay, and then we got this volatile organic compound. Okay, and then water extract byproduct of sugar degradation and myelination, which is chemical interaction between amino acid and sugars in the presence of heat. For 2,4,1 methanol to 5-H-furanol inhibitory effects of hexanyl oxidation depending on the concentration. The concentration of hexanyl or hexanoic acid. 1,2,3 benzene triol or priogalol had strong hydrogen donating ability due to multiple hydroxyl groups attached to their structure, hence display a higher scavenging capacity when tested with ABTS, DPPH and superoxide radical scavenging compared to synthetic antioxidant BHAA. Okay, these are the others of phytochemicals compound. Okay, these are the result for mineral and heavy metal content. Okay, we can found that all of the result we got below than the limit provided by WHO. So means that this fruit are safe. This fruit is safe to be consumed. Okay, and then this one is the result for brine shrimp lethality bioassay. Okay, we can found that cytotoxicity of water extract of this fruit pulp on brine shrimp nullly. Okay, for the water extraction, we got a zero mortality rate, which is very good. For the conclusion, water extract contain appreciable amount of valuable nutrition and essential minerals that are required to optimize human body functions. Water extract contain byproducts of sugar degradation and myelination products, which are known as potent antioxidant, and no potential metal toxicity of water extract also showed that the fruit is safe for human consumption. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.